Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to change your oil on a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta 2-liter turbo. First thing you want to do is pop your hood. After your hood's popped, you're just going to want to pull up on this cover and it just kind of pops off. That way we can access your oil filter. Then go ahead and pull your dipstick out just like that. Next, we're going to jack the car up. Now you want to take your jack and put your jack right on this pinch well, but enough space to where you can put your jack stand on the other side of the pinch well, and then just jack it up. Once you get it high enough, put your jack, pull your jack all the way up, and then slowly release the actual jack onto the jack stand. After the car's jacked up, put your catch pan underneath the car, crawl underneath, and find your T45 Torx drain plug right here. Again, it's a T45 Torx, as you can see right on T45, right in there. Break it loose. Once you break it loose, you should be able to just take it out by hand. It's going to start dripping. And have your catch pan there. To catch all the oil. Once your oil starts to dribble like this, go ahead and clean off your drain plug. You're not going to be able to get all the oil out, so at this time you can go ahead and reinsert your drain plug. Start it by hand, and then go ahead and just hand tighten it with that T45 socket on that ratchet. Snug just like that. Once your oil pan, your catch can is out from underneath the car and your drain plug is tight, go ahead and re-jack the car up to get space to take the jack stand out. And then just slowly release your jack. So before we go and put new oil in the car, we have to first remove the old oil filter and put a new one in. So to take this cap off, you need a 32mm socket, and basically all you do is you turn it off, spin it out, and then you put the new filter in. So all it does is just pull straight out like that. This rod stays in. Take your new filter, slide it right back in between, slide it all the way in till it pops like that. Then one more thing you have to do is you should get a new O-ring that comes in. It comes with your new oil filter. And it's this black O-ring right here, and all you do is take a flat blade screwdriver. This is a little big, but it'll work. And you just get in between the groove, pop the O-ring up and out. Take your new O-ring, slide it right back down in the same groove. Make sure you get it in the same groove, because if you put it one groove above, you'll leak oil because it doesn't seal correctly. After you have your new oil filter and O-ring in, put the canister back on. Make sure the little rod slits right into that middle opening. Put it right back down. Thread it on. And then just snug it on tight with your ratchet and socket. Whoops. So it stopped right there, and then I just snug it a little more, and that's it. Next step is to put oil in the car now. And here's your oil cap. Just pop it right off and start to pour your oil in it. When you're all done, just take this cap and it pops onto these little grommets right here. Those 4 grommets. So once you get one started, you can kind of see it and feel it. See how here I popped? And it's on.